Okay, boys and girls, here's me. Pardon the setting. YouTube is not really my thing. I'm doing what I can, and this is going to be an off thing. I'm not a YouTuber, but due to popular demand, this is going to be an instructional on how to make this mask, which is not exactly a good fit for my face. It's already been widened a little bit, but it will be clear what I'm doing here. Those masks, they come in a single size to make it very simple for everybody using them, to avoid mistakes and be consistent. But if you have a larger head or a smaller head, the fit is not going to be perfect. It's going to either have leakage over the sides, or it's simply not going to go over the face entirely. And there's this area around the nose which needs to be pinched, so it actually repeats the shape that the nose takes, so there's minimal leakage. The way to do this, the way I do this, is using a heat gun. You can use it with a hair blow dryer just as easily. You just need to heat it up for a little bit longer. And this is how you do this. You heat up this area from inside, then continue heating it from the outside. As it cools, the surface cools on the inside, but this entire shell is going to be heated for long enough for it to be malleable. Make sure that you heat on the outside after and let the surface on the inside cool, because you're going to put it over your face and it might actually scald you. You can put a wet towel over your face to make sure that it doesn't happen. So here I'm going to heat it up quickly. And this should do it. It's already pretty soft. You see, it's almost like rubber. It's very malleable. It's going to set very quickly, however, so you need to apply it, press it to the shape, or widen it to fit your face, and let it set there. Again, this is very hot. My skin is pretty rough. If your skin is more sensitive, put a paper towel with water on it, or without water, just to give yourself a little insulation from the heat. And when you're done with the sides, you do the same thing for this nose area. Again, heating from the inside and then keeping the heat going on the outside before applying it to the face. Again, it's very, very soft. And you pinch it around the nose. Again, very hot on the inside, careful. Not very pleasant, but once it's done, it's going to take the shape. As it cools down, it's going to be stiff plastic again. You might want to do this again on the underside where it meets the chin. In addition, you can also use foam, one-sided foam sticker. You can use a foam sticker to put over here to get a snug fit, because the masks are going to be a bit large for the majority of people. I make them bigger because I want to make sure it fits everybody. The filter, it's pretty easy. You just insert it here. This is the filter cap. All you need to do is cut filtering material to this shape and just set it in here, lock it over with this, and that's how it's going to fit. You can use any sort of elastic band for this. Usually only the two upper holes are, strictly speaking, necessary, but it provides a better fit if you use both, one to go over your neck and one to go over your head. I hope this is going to be helpful, and I have no idea if more videos are coming. Again, YouTube is really not my thing, but hey, I might see you around again soon. Take care.